Welcome to App Ideas Lab, where we turn your business workflows into powerful apps. Today's demo showcases an automated HR pre-onboarding process built with PowerApps. The process begins when HR creates a job opening and posts the application link on any hiring platform. Candidates visit the website, fill in their details including name, current CTC, expected CTC, and upload their resume. Once submitted, the application is instantly received in PowerApps, where we can view resumes in PDF or Word format. We then send a WhatsApp message to the candidate introducing the company. After an initial call discussion, candidates can be shortlisted or rejected. For those shortlisted, we schedule interviews with one or more interviewers. After the final round, HR receives an email with a feedback form. Once a candidate is selected, they receive an email with a Get Started link to submit their personal details and attach necessary documents. After submission, we proceed to create the offer letter by selecting the final CTC and clicking Generate, which creates a PDF offer letter that is still unsigned. The document then enters the approval workflow, first to HR, then to the HR manager, and finally to the CEO or director. Once all internal approvals and signatures are complete, the signed document is sent to the candidate for review and acceptance. After the candidate accepts, the document is securely saved in our records. This is just a demo. If you'd like the full code and a complete guide to build this solution, comment below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to App Ideas Lab for more smart app concepts.